Alright guys, QX56 I want to say. My dude over here doing a starter, guys. You know what's weird? What he said, I asked him why he had the car down on the ground. He said that's because the starter is on the top. Guess what they had in the starter? Under the intake. So he's in the process of removing the intake so he can gain access to the starter. Interesting, guys. Interesting. Now I know this is nothing new to you independent geeks out there. Philly D, I don't know, Tom. No, not Tom. Tim. Yeah, Tim. Y'all work on everything, so this is nothing new to y'all. But I'm over here going, what? It's in the what? I don't know. Is that an advantage? Is that an advantage? I mean, will the starter stay cool in there and last longer? Where's the new starter? Right here. Because it's hidden under the intake, will this expand the life of it? I don't know. You know what's weird? I asked him how to get it in here if it wasn't starting. Because, let's see what kind of rack. It's hard to push up on a rack like this, right? So he say, you know how you keep turning the key, click, 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 and it catch. Yeah, so he caught it and finally jumped up here on the rack before. And now he's in the process of doing it, but yeah, that is extremely interesting. Now we did a starter at Brother's Motor that freaked me out. Don't take much to freak me out, guys. Like I said, I'm in a bubble, so all this stuff is like foreign to me. QX56, the Infinity, nice one too. I don't know if somebody traded in. I don't know what happened. I gotta get some light before I go in here and show y'all the inside. So we'll view the inside later, but and I want to see when he get the intake out. Yeah, I tell y'all what, y'all hold tight. When you get this intake off, see, I gotta stay on my P's and Q's because these guys kind of swift. Like once they get it off, they go replace the starter and put it back together, and I missed the whole. I missed the show. I'm hoping he gonna disconnect this battery. Yes, guys, you're doing a starter or alternator. Please remove the power supply. All right, this guy pretty sharp. I'm sure he's gonna do that once well, even if you're taking that off, you should. I don't know, to each his own. But newbies, please take this off on everything. How about that? Yeah, just do it for everything so you won't forget. Hey, don't when you get this off, let me know, man. I want to see. No, man, y'all be tripping, man. Y'all be putting stuff back together and don't tell nobody. All right, y'all hear him? He gave me his word. He said he gonna come get me when he get the intake off. So. All right, in the meantime, we go charge my phone. Stay tuned. I want to see the starter is exposed. Where are they hiding it at? Oh, dude, man. So that is in a cooler spot. That means it should last forever, like a battery.
Well, this one's bad.
Same like held on my two boats. Same typical. Yeah. Well, how you gonna get some type of swivel?
Something.
You figure it out when you get to that part.
I'll use a wrench probably. And normal wrench.
Normal wrench.
The angle will get it behind it.
15 millimeters look like. So, just in case y'all didn't know, that's where they hide it. If you're ever looking for one and can't find it, you might need to pull the engine out. No, I'm kidding. Just pull the intake. There's a lot of Google information out there. I would tell you. You still just be shocked to find out that it's actually there. But it is. Hey, mass airflow sensor. See, FCA speed density, guys. Not really that tight, but you finna get cracking. Ooh, having a hard time getting to this boat, I want to say. What? What is that?
It's an 18 and an extension. It'll slide around the handle.
Dude, let me go get my ratchet for you.
No, come on.
How can you see?
I can see just fine. I might be old, but
yeah, because you can't angle that. How you gonna get that under there?
What do you mean?
Dude, I'm gonna get my ratchet, man. You ain't gonna get that off like that.
You don't think so?
No, man.
You little fake.
All right, y'all see what tool about to save today? This little Craftsman 3/8 ratchet. You need something that'll bend and have a little angle to it. This is gonna save the day. Watch what I tell you. We're gonna get this started out right now. Watch. You got it?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you had me walk away over here for nothing.
I told you I was gonna get it.
How the hell you get it off?
I tried to put it on stages.
Oh. Oh, you got a shorter extension because you didn't have no pry room at first.
Well, no. Well, I put the socket on first. The issue was the socket was so long. Once the socket was on there, the extension wasn't there. But now I gotta get this bitch off. Oh, never mind. This bitch is actually kind of loose.
That's the easiest part. You got it broke loose.
Yeah, this is loose now. Fucking hand tight. I hate working on tires.
I want to see. Hey, what we got on the equivalent of this? Grand Cherokee? Durango? So the closest we can get to such a size monstrositous vehicle is a Durango or the new Wagoneer. Oh, it's a V8, so it has the upper hand. Maybe a gas guzzler. There's 2 TVs in the seats. Look at the room, guys. A rideshare driver would love this. He can do XL. Yes, I used to work for Uber and Lyft. That's all I did was XL in my Chrysler minivan. Made a bunch of money until I wrecked. Somebody ran into me and ruined my is this a CD cover? Yeah, I don't know who making CDs now. Look at that audio. Is it? Yes, a CD player. So it's an older model. Well, anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you. Yeah, you can tell when you think you got any kind of electrical problem, be it starter or battery, you can always break out jumper cables. I've seen mechanics frustrated. You gotta know nothing, just a click. They bringing out jumper cables because you at that point you'll try anything. But yeah, guys, he kept his word. He came and got me when he got ready to do the starter. So that's all I have, man. Just want y'all to see that. Like I said before, this is no shock to you gurus out there, to you independent gurus out there. This is, oh yeah, I see that all the time. I can hear Tim right now. Can you dig it? I see that all the time. I do that at least twice a week. It's like, no, Tim, I can't dig it. I've never had to replace one. But interesting, guys. So that's all I have.